I was 7 in a mirror in the morning, learning how to look and find the flaw. Nobody had to say a single sentence. I already knew the shape of what I saw. I don't remember anyone accusing. I only remember something in the air, a way of being looked at that taut looking, a silence that was heavier than a stare. Who told you? Who told you that you were naked? Who told you that the covering was old? Who told you before you'd done a single thing to answer for? Who told you? Who told you so? There was a voice in every house I grew up hearing. Some of it was scripture, some was just the street. Some of it was love gone strange with worry, dressed up as a warning to be neat. It taught me how to fold myself in smaller. It taught me which parts earn the light and which the shame. It never asked if any of it was truthful. It just kept on teaching, and I learned the name. Who told you? Who told you that you were naked? Who told you that the covering was old? Who told you before you'd done a single thing to answer for? Who told you? Who told you so? Now I turn the question back around the circle, not at the child who learned to hide her skin, but at the voice that stood outside the garden, asking who had made the telling sin. Because I never chose the lesson I was given, I only chose much later to believe. And there's a difference between wearing something taught you and the wearing of a thing you chose to weave. Who told you? Who told you that you were naked? Who told you that the covering was old? Who told you before you'd done a single thing to answer for? Who told you? Who told you so? I have seen it done to more than just a person. I have seen it done to whole and ancient names, a people taught that who they are's the trouble, a history rewritten into shame. The question travels further than the mirror. It travels into pulpits and through law. It asks the ones who taught it what they're teaching, and whether they believe it or just saw. here's the line I'm learning how to draw now, between the thing I did and what I am. The first one I can carry to the table. The second was a story, not a plan. I didn't choose the tale.